Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can change the pen color for the drawing tool in your drawings on the Concepts app. So let us begin. So guys, as you can see, I'm inside that example drawing here. What you want to do is take a look or pay attention to that menu here in the top left, right? So you can choose between various tools like a soft pencil, a pen, this one here, and so on and so forth. Now you can choose any of these, but if you like to change the color, click into this icon in the middle, and then you may use your mouse wheel to find your preferred color. So I'm going to go with this blue color here, and now we can start drawing. So let me draw another face. We got a mouth, and then a pair of eyes, a nose, and some cheeks. So that's it. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.